Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Tay TV. My reaction video for today, I will be reacting to air horn prank. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my social medias. I will greatly appreciate it. Again, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I want you guys to check out my TikTok. The TikTok is going to be in the video description. I post some clips of my reactions on TikTok, so y'all go check that out and get my followers, my likes up on TikTok. Let's get straight into this video. They looking at him like, what? They're laughing. They both gorgeous too.
Life and peace.
What is it?
Life and peace.
Welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. How you doing today? Today we're going out. We got the chip bag and air horn, and we're scaring people today, guys. If you want to, go ahead and subscribe right now. Leave a like. Also leave a comment for her. Yeah, let's get this going. You ready? I'm gonna give you I'll give you the chip. You blow the air horn at people. There's an air horn. You blow it at people. What do you mean? We agreed on this, ma'am. All right. Well.
Like what? Turn around like what?
Was that you?
Came out of nowhere. Air horn is loud. It's like, They're laughing. He walked back! Oh, what?
Why are you worried about me? Talking about, bro?
Oh, he ready.
That wasn't a car.
Oh,
What
shit.
did I do though?
Oh, shit.
Bro.
He walked back. He was ready. She already knew. She already knew that.
Oh, by the way, So, holy sh**, man.
That wasn't you?
No, I think it was a car, probably.
They're like, what? She's bad. She a baddie. She put a middle finger on that. to his channel, and man, this is my first time like me watching his channel in a minute. So I'm gonna say, alright, let's go.
Get in here. Wait. Sir, I just want to get in.
No.
Sir, I just want to get in.
No.
Sir, why are you
No.
pushing me?
No.
Sir!
Get out.
Sir!
Get out.
Better get out of his car.
What? Come on, why you outrunning me? I'm trying to get in that
He's
video, bro.
outrunning him.
Trying you to not to get in my video.
Why?
Ah.
You seem like a happy guy. You seem like
Yeah.
you want a friend. Can we be friends?
Sure.
That's what I'm saying. Let's do a video. Come on.
No.
I'm here with my friend.
Why?
You seem happy.
I am.
I like to be around happy people, man.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Yeah, so let's go ahead.
Let's meet my new friend Steven.
What's going on, guys? What's your name?
Vijay. Vijay?
VJ?
Steven.
Steven. It's nice to meet you,
In
man.
Vegas.
Yeah, we met in Vegas. It's my new bro. We're actually about to get married soon.
Oh, sure.
We're actually gonna get married today.
Oh, wow.
We're gonna go to the little chapel.
You have the witnesses? How many witnesses do we need?
We only need one.
Only we one?
Yeah, so-
Cool, that's cool.
So you down?
Yeah, sure.
We're getting married?
Sure.
All right, let's go, bro. Come on.
Top 5 reasons to switch to Dr. Squatch soap.
Oh,
1.
smell.
Your loofah is a bacteria sponge that can
What?
I have to.
Oh, you have to go now? Oh, really? Oh, man, you really gonna break my heart?
What can I do, my friend? You'll find someone. You're a nice person. You'll find someone.
No! No! Hey man, thank you, bro. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button, right?
Okay.
You got me?
Yeah.
Comment down below.
Alright.
Can you? Maybe? Alright, but you have to definitely
Maybe.
subscribe, right? Because we post a video every week, every Tuesday, bro. Alright, so make sure you just come back, and you know, we can get it all set up, alright?
Alright.
We're good? What's your name?
Ivan.
Steven. It's nice to meet you, man. Alright, man, remember, come back. Every Tuesday.
Good.
Going?
Me?
Yeah, where are we going together?
Nowhere. I'm just smoking my cigarette.
Oh.
It's my break time.
Oh. Well, do you like what you do?
Just getting his
No.
fight camp.
You don't like Uber?
People cars.
Oh. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Have you tried, like, maybe taxi?
Go over there, wait.
Over there? Is that the Uber wait?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
They're coming to look over there.
Oh, okay. Alright. Thank you.
This was a good
Good
video.
day.
Again, I haven't reacted to his channel
Huh.
in a while,
I guess-
so please like, share, comment.
I guess that wasn't my
subscribe
Uber?
to my channel.